Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video because as you can see, we're in my kitchen and I want to show you how to make chili jam, also called Nam Prik Pao, which is a sauce base that is used in Southeast Asian countries like Thailand and Vietnam. And I'm going to show you how to make the vegan version of it. I got the recipe from the book Vegan Street Food, which is an amazing book, by the way. If you're vegan, vegetarian, or if you just like cooking in general, then I highly recommend checking out this book. And I'm going to show you how to make this chili jam based on the recipe of this book. I'm waiting for the oil to heat up and then I'm going to separately fry the chilies, shallots and the garlic. I'm cooking the chilies in the oil on medium-high heat and I'm waiting for them to turn slightly brown and crispy before I take them out. Now that the chilies are done, I'm going to go and fry the shallots and I'm going to put everything in the wok. And again, I'm going to heat it up and cook it until it's brown and crispy. Last but not least, I have the garlic that I'm going to fry up, and just like the shallots, I'm going to fry them until they're crispy golden brown. I have put the 3 fried ingredients into my food processor and I'm gonna mix it up until it's a paste. After 5 minutes of blending, this should be it. This is the consistency that I'm looking for. And now I'm going to use a small pan to gently cook it and add the rest of the ingredients for that really jam type texture. I forgot to mention that I diluted the tamarind earlier with 100 milliliters of water and I'm going to add it to the sauce now along with the brown sugar and the vegan tamari sauce. I'm finally done with the chili jam. Now I'm going to put them into the jars. I have airtight jars which helps to keep it fresh for longer, and I also have mini jars because I'm planning on sharing it with my friends as well. I finally finished potting all the jams into the different jars, and I'm just waiting for them to cool down a little bit before I close the lid, and then it will last you for about a month. Also, to make the sauce you don't need a lot of the jam, which is great because it means that a little goes a long way and it tastes so good. I'll make sure to put up some recipe in the description box down below, so make sure to check them out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's something completely different, not beauty related, but I really enjoyed making this video, so I do hope that you liked it as much as I did filming this, and I'll see you next time. Bye!